Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is just going to be about my mini IMATS 2020 haul. Nothing crazy like last year's video, really simple this year, but I did want to share what I did grab with. I only had $200. Only had $200, which is really hard with IMATS, but I made it work. Alright, so the first thing I got, I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys like my main tools that I got for my kit. My one and only Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. Every year I stock up on this stuff because it's expensive and it works really well. I love to use it in between clients. It's really fast and clean and it's really disinfecting. It gets rid of bacteria. And then I stocked up on lashes for my kit. I usually use no-name lashes, the 747s. These are really popular. So I just grabbed a bunch of lashes to put on to my clients. Nice and simple. And then along with that, I also bought a couple of Bdellium brushes, which are like really good. So I did grab two face brushes. Here, let me just open them. First face brush I got, this one looks like this. I really like the idea of putting on a crazy amount of blush on my clients, or using this to blend out cream blush. Put that sugar back in here for now. And then the other one I got for the face from Bdellium is the face sculpting tool. This one's, so the first one I showed you is number 988, and this one is 977. So this one is more of a contouring brush. I got this for the cream contours to blend it down to the neck and, you know, go down the nose. So I'm gonna use this one mostly for cream. And that's all I got for face brushes. For eyes, I got an ultra fine liner, number 7706. How do I open this guy? Maybe I should have opened it beforehand. And it is an ultra fine brush tip. Look at that. Weird, we'll use it to cover up my sets. There we go. And then the last one I got is the 729 Duet Fiber Bent Mascara Fan. Now, this guy is meant to help put on, how do I open this? Alright, so this guy is meant, it's bent here and it's meant to like fill in your mascara or if you get fallout or anything, but I do like the idea of using this brush for a smudge liner look to like really get onto the lash line. And then the last thing I got for my kit, Ben Nye Final Seal. This is my favorite setting spray. It is alcohol based, but take a deep breath, get over it. It won't dry your skin out. It just will keep your face on all day, every day. I use it on my brides, I use it on my clients, I use it on me. So that's what I got, like the main stuff for my kit. For funsies, I did get a glitter kit from Kandy. So what this comes with is a little, ooh, that's weird. It comes with a little glitter brush, and it comes with an ounce of their adhesive, or they call it liquid sugar. Then I got 4 different colors of glitter. This really pretty pink color. This one is called Tangerine Twist. I got this color that I'm wearing on my eyes now. You can't see it. It's called Sugar Plum. I also have one called Gumball, and the last one that I grabbed was Pumpkin Pie to match my hair. Pumpkin Pie! Last but not least, I did another Rude Cosmetics haul like I did last year. This is my normal press powder that I use from Rude Cosmetics. It's called Stop the Press. I have it on right now. It has really good coverage. I really enjoy it. I bought more lashes. This time they're for me. So this is their Faux Mink lash and then also the 3D lash. I'm really excited about these guys. Look at that little... Went ahead and I got this guy, the Blush Crush blush palette. I'm going to use it in my kit. We've got one little highlighting blush and the rest are all matte powders. More glitter. This one, I believe, it better be UV reactive. I got it to wear on stage. Got a couple of their matte lip pencils. I love these because they are the color of natural lips, so they go really great as a lip primer, a lip liner, or on their own. Use them on myself, use them on my clients. And last but not least, I got one of their eyebrow pens. I haven't used it before, but this little eyebrow slit's new to me, and I've been struggling to find the right product to kind of fill in the tail. But yeah, so this was my little mini haul. Let me know if you want any tutorials on all these products. If you have any questions, if you want to see swatches, I can post them on my Instagram. Just let me know. Sorry this video was really short and really quick, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys what I got at IMATS 2020. Anyways, see you next year at IMATS. I'll see you guys soon on my channel.